performance fixes, and a bunch of quality of life changes. So today we're going to check out the update. From what I've seen, it actually improves a lot and changes the game.
NUX mode.
I'll be making content on Callisto every update or every DLC or thing.
Bluetooth mode.
Subscribe if you want to see Callisto Protocol. And yeah, let's get right into it.
想把你抱进身体里面，不敢让你看见嘴角那颗没落下的泪。如果这是最后的一夜，在你离开之前，能不让我都不是重现？ If one day you wake up and find you're missing me, and your heart starts to wonder where we hold on, my baby cried, his eyes were like mine. 'Cause we danced on the floor in the ride. And people always told me, be careful what you do. Don't go around breaking young girls' hearts. Pusat merasa indah, semua hilang dan usai bila cinta ini tanya berjalan. Engkau beri harapan sudah cukup kini ku sadar.有所保留，说过的话当成并不说，我不必再为你迁就，说一句分手借口，一原谅你身边最后百口梦。在互相折磨，为了难得有。
Downtown, and at its heart, a new icon, the Muka, a gate.
First place.
Harvey!
What did you say? You heard me. You let her in here and you didn't even put